Now, as you can see here, I will explain how to fix issues with background removal effectively. Background or overlay issues in CapCut on your phone. As you can see here, let's fix them together. First, you need to know that using high-quality videos is essential for success. Use high-quality videos for effective background removal, as you see here. Background removal works poorly in low-light conditions, as you can see here. If the background resembles clothing or an object, low quality can severely impact the overall video quality, as you see. This all affects the video quality, so it's better to use high-quality footage. Good lighting, a contrasting background, and clear video help. As you can see, yes, for green screen effects, it's best to use a chroma key, especially if you have a green background. If you have a green background, then carefully tap on the overlay option to enhance your video effects, as you can see here. You can easily add and remove elements using the eyedropper tool, as you can see here, to remove the chroma key effect. And that's it. You have automatic removal, and there's also the eyedropper tool option. Remove it however you like. And if that no longer works, carefully try checking everything again. Do you have internet access? Sometimes for AI background removal, a stable connection is essential for best results. Removing backgrounds needs internet, so it's better. Check if you have internet access. That's all. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Goodbye for now.